When it comes to money, most people look in the wrong places. Some think their boss should pay them more, while others blame the government or the economy for not having enough. But the truth is, your wealth comes from within. No one can make you rich except yourself. All you need to do is turn what you already have into money. In this video, we'll share 5 things you can turn into money, and we hope these ideas will help you take control of your finances and become richer in the next 12 months. Let's get started. Number 1. Turn your time into money. Benjamin Franklin once said, "Time is money," and he was right. If you have time, you have the ability to make money. The problem is that most people don't understand how valuable time is. Time isn't just 24 hours in a day, it's your life's most valuable asset. So how do you turn your time into money? Start by recognizing how much time you waste on things like TV, gossip, or social media. Many people waste hours every day on distractions. Henry Ford said, "Most people get ahead during the time others waste." Use your time more wisely. Instead of spending hours on Instagram or watching TV, read financial books, work on your ideas, or learn new skills. By cutting down on time-wasting activities, you can make big changes in your financial situation over the next 12 months. Number 2. Turn your internet into money. You're using the internet every day, but did you know that your internet use is making money for others? Every time you use Instagram, Google, or YouTube, you're helping these companies make money. While it's not wrong to use these platforms, it's a problem if you only use them as a consumer. Instead, start seeing the internet as a tool for making money. Ask yourself, what can I sell online? How can I use Instagram to promote a business? How do people make money from YouTube? The internet can be a powerful way to earn money. Spend time learning how to turn your internet use into a source of income. For me, if I'm not making money online, I don't use the internet. Turn your internet time into money and you'll see your financial situation improve. Number 3. Turn your network into money. As Grant Cardone says, if you don't like your net worth, check your network. The people you surround yourself with can be a great source of wealth and opportunity. Many of us know successful or skilled individuals but fail to connect with them in a meaningful way. By neglecting to build strong relationships, we miss out on valuable insights, resources, and potential partnerships that could boost our financial success. Recently, I spent time with a friend who introduced me to a software that could do a task I was paying someone else to handle, but for much less money. That one conversation saved me a lot of money and opened my eyes to more efficient ways of working. Building a strong network means creating opportunities for yourself that you might not have thought possible. To improve your financial situation, prioritize meeting and engaging with people who add value to your goals. Have meaningful conversations, exchange ideas, and learn from those with different experiences. These connections can help you discover new paths, spark creative ideas, and unlock opportunities you never knew existed. In the long run, a solid network is one of the best assets you can have. Number 4. Turn your skills into money. Have you seen people making money by dancing on TikTok or singing on YouTube? These individuals are using their talents to generate income, often turning hobbies into profitable careers. What valuable skills do you have that could earn you money? It could be anything: writing, video editing, graphic design, singing, coding, or even something unique like baking or crafting. Everyone has a skill they can turn into money. If you don't feel like you have a marketable skill yet, don't worry. Start learning one today. There are countless free and affordable resources like books, YouTube tutorials, and online courses that can help you develop your talents. It's never too late to learn something new. Once you've developed your skill, the next step is to figure out how to monetize it. You could offer freelance services, create content, or even start a small business around your expertise. Start small and be patient, as turning skills into wealth takes time and persistence. Keep learning, improving, and adapting. Eventually, your skills can grow into a significant source of income, giving you more financial freedom. Number 5. Turn problems into money. Jack Ma once said, "Opportunity is in the place of problems." If you want to change your financial situation, focus on solving people's problems. For example, a few years ago, I noticed that my city was investing in renewable energy, but there was a lack of affordable training for people wanting to start solar panel businesses. I created an online platform that offered training, and today it continues to generate income. Look for problems that people are facing and think about how you can solve them. By offering solutions, you can turn problems into wealth. In the next 12 months, focus on yourself. Don't wait for others to help you. Use your time wisely. Invest in learning and look for ways to solve problems. Your wealth is in your hands. Start today and watch how your life changes. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family to inspire them on their financial journey. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Have a great day and take care.